If you would like to ensure that your scale is performing optimally, here are some steps to follow. First, check your firmware version by holding down the back and confirm button. Turn the dial till you see machine info and press confirm. Perform regular updates to ensure that firmware version is the latest. Then perform a factory reset to return machine to original settings for the scale and other features. Once you have navigated to Restore Factory Settings, press confirm twice. Once the machine has restarted, the process is complete. Now perform a scale calibration. Hold down the back and confirm buttons and press confirm on settings. Turn the dial to calibration to access Scale 0, then press confirm again to start scale calibration. Remove your drip tray and press confirm. Then press confirm again to empty scale to 0. Now that your scale has been calibrated, place the drip tray back on the scale. Navigate back to the main menu. Turn the dial to machine info and press confirm. Now turn the dial till you see scale value. As we have placed the drip tray back on the scale value would not be 0. Most importantly, you should observe an increase in value after placing your cup on the scale.